Hello, in this presentation we will talk about what will be covered in the Other Reports and Graphs section of the course. There's going to be a lot of different reports and graphs that can be generated by QuickBooks, and this is great, but it can also be overwhelming. We're going to talk about some of the graphs and reports that can be generated here, just to give an example of some of the reports that can be generated as we go through them. Just remember that all these reports are really going to be some component of the major reports, the balance sheet and the income statement. We're looking to just reorganize this data in different formats most of the time as we go through many of these other types of reports. And the ability for QuickBooks to take that data and reorganize it in different formats and different reports is a great tool to have. So we have the sales graph report we will take a look at, the income and expense graph report, the sales by customer report, the sales by item report, the accounts receivable aging report, this one very important for those working in the accounts receivable department. The accounts payable aging report, very important for those working in the accounts payable department. Accounts payable graph, the accounts receivable graph. As we go through all these graphs as well, we'll talk about how to present those graphs, possibly how to put them into a presentation file such as this to show them and what they actually mean in terms of interpreting the graph and how they do tie into the balance sheet and the income statement and other reports. Then we have the custom comparative profit and loss, and then we're going to export the balance sheet to Excel.